Hello everyone and welcome to Code with Vinay. In this video, I'll be explaining how to round off a float or a double value to the nearest integer in Java without using any library method. Rounding off is a mathematical operation where a number is replaced by another number that is approximately equal to it. We will be using a simple trick where we add 0.5 to the number and then typecast it into an integer. The method will work for values where the fractional part is greater than or equal to 0.5 or less than 0.5. So let's get started. For simplicity and to focus on the main logic, I'll write the minimal amount of code, that is no input or methods to round off, just the main logic. So let's say the value which we want to round off is stored in a variable by the name of num. Now I'm taking it float, but you can take it double also. And let's say this value is 3.2f. Now we need to print it after rounding off, and I'm going to do it directly. I'll say int number plus 0.5. Now let us focus on what we just did. Note that the fractional part of our number, that is 0.2, is less than 0.5, and therefore when we add 0.5 to it, it won't cross the next integer and we'll get 3.7. Now 3.7 when typecasted to an integer will give us 3. So if I run this program, see what happens. The rounded off value of 3.2 is 3, which is correct. Now we'll see the other case, that is what happens when this value is more than 0.5, let's say 0.7. Now in this case, the fractional part, that is 0.7 of 3.7, is more than 0.5. When we'll add 0.5 to 3.7, the result will go beyond the next integer 4 and we'll get 4.2. 4.2 on typecasting to an integer will give 4, which is the correct answer of rounding of 3.7 to an integer. Let me run this program for completeness. So if I run this program, 3.7 is being rounded off to the value 4, which is our correct answer. So essentially this technique adds 0.5 to the number which we want to round off. If the fractional part is beyond the halfway mark, that is more than 0.5, the result will go over the next integer, else it will remain less than the next integer. The conversion to an integer by typecasting will then remove the fractional part and we'll get our final rounded off value. The beauty of this trick is that no unnecessary methods are being called, which makes our code fast and elegant. That's all for this tutorial on how to round off a float value to the nearest integer in Java without using any library method. I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Your feedback is valuable to me. I want to make sure that my videos are clear and helpful. You can follow me on the internet on any one or all of these channels.